here at GrayManPrepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about maps and compasses. So, maps and compasses. Well, I don't need a map and compass. I got a GPS system built into my phone. And, all right. Yeah, electronic stuff is great. However, if you're in a situation where everything's going wrong and you need to get home because your car's broken down and you're, say, 20 miles from your home, do you know all the roads, all the ways to get home safely? Do you know the shortcuts? Do you know absolutely everything? Does your GPS for your phone, which usually shows only roads, know the trails? Because there may be a trail that you can take, which is a shortcut to get from point A to point B without going down to point C and back up again as the roads go. Having a good set of maps of your area, your county, your state, and the areas you travel in can help you out in emergencies like you wouldn't believe. Most truckers carry map books because they're not going to rely on their GPS stuff all the time. I've had the GPS, the Garmin thing give me wrong directions into a dead-end street saying that it went through when there's a river there and it doesn't cross the river. So there are reasons to have maps and compasses. All righty. So check it out. Check out getting some maps and compasses. Also check into taking a orienteering course. That's where you learn how to read maps and compasses and determine how far away a certain point is just by using the compass, how to get from point A, how to recognize what the symbols are on the map. All right. Take care. Don't do anything foolish. Add to your preps.